Okay, part 2. Let's see how long it records this time. Nick, I need to blindfold you because I still need to get stuff together. Can you see?
No.
Good. Let's keep it that way.
I can't breathe either. Okay, you don't need to go so tight.
Sorry. Nikki, don't worry about your hair. It's going to get messed up anyway.
Screw the hair. I'm worried about my scar.
Oh, God, I'm sorry. So there's used paper towels.
How you doing over there, mermaid?
Shut up. Kitty! Okay, Nikki's turn.
Yay.
So let's... Oh wait, I need a bowl.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Probably should say that out loud.
Great, it's a liquid.
No! Are your hands clean?
I hope so.
You haven't touched anything gross?
Nope.
What about you smell your hand? Hold on, let's make sure it's still recording. As if it's not, we're gonna
Tomato
have issues.
sauce.
No. Okay. So, thing 1. And? Make your nail polish.
Thanks.
Go ahead.
Okay. Why is it cold? My fingers feel like they're going skinny dipping right now.
It was in the refrigerator. You saw me take stuff out.
I did? It was in a bag, you... Alright. Is it used for cooking?
Not usually.
Okay. Is it a vegetable?
Most of it.
Okay, is it fruit?
No. Well, I don't know.
Okay, is it a tomato?
There's tomato in there.
Okay. Is it salsa?
Holy shit, yes! There you go. Thing 2. Hold on. I gotta show the camera, because otherwise I'm not gonna guess what this is.
My fingers are numb.
Suck it up, because it's just about to get worse.
Oh, goody! It gets better?
Give me your hand.
Oh, Jesus. What the hell are you doing to me? Doesn't feel normal.
You're right, it's not really in its normal state.
Great.
Which part's one?
Good for you. Why is it squishy? Is it a fruit?
Yes.
Does it grow in a tree?
I think so.
Okay. Can I smell it?
Go for it.
It's a pear.
No.
A grape?
No. You can taste it if you
No,
want.
I'm good. I'm really good. What the fuck is this? Okay, what color is it?
I can't tell you that.
What the hell?
Because it's not its original color either. I didn't anticipate all that happening. How does it smell? It smells like it should. Maybe that's just your hand. Yeah, what are you doing? My hands smell like Celine Dion.
Good for you. Take a poster of her. It'll feel like she's really there with you.
Minions, this, what Nikki is feeling, is this. Just
I have the other? Oh, it's a banana.
Yes, it's a mashed up banana.
Great. And two.
So you just had your hands in a banana. How does
Right.
that feel? Oh, I think making some.
Next. Great, your brother's gonna think we're freaks.
Let's get this one done and over with.
No, here we go.
It's
Great, now this feels like shit.
don't feel too much. I need to use this for cooking.
It's butter.
Yes! There's a massive on it. Oh my god.
Should carve my name. Nikki was here.
Okay, next.
What was that, 3?
Yes.
Okay. What in the hell? Okay, that's a can. Is it tuna?
No. Tuna's not that solid.
It could be. Is this cat food?
Yes.
Ew! You fucker! I hate you! You know I hate cats.
Now my cat has to eat that.
Good, I hope it's...
Last thing, guys. Okay. Ready?
No. Overjoyed.
You're gonna hate me for this.
Goody. What in the hell was that?
Would you like more?
Is it Vaseline?
No.
Did you use it to cook with?
Hell no.
Is it lube?
No.
Do you store this in your room?
Yes.
So it is lube.